Alright, here we go.
Let's see how this works. I don't know if we're getting it all the way down.
Wait a minute, get that. That's a lot, damn, man. I'm waiting for that. Alright, just tell me when. Dude, it's shooting out.
It's going to get worse before it gets better.
Why am I in the line of the smoke?
Oh, turn.
Oh, dude.
What?
It's like a catch on fire.
Alright.
Look at that thing shooting. Now the wind's kicking up.
Can you hold that?
Yeah.
Slide that stick out of there. Damn, I didn't get it's not covered all the way.
That's what I was. Push it in there. As you can tell, we're short on oil. That sucker's going in the oven, Mick.
No, it'll cook, but
Maybe it just hasn't fully expanded yet.
it'll sink. No, it'll actually sink a little bit more. Yeah, it's a small turkey to have that.
Look at that mess.
Oh yeah. Violent.
Not on me. Hope we got enough gas. Hopefully we got enough gas. Hey man, if I was standing over there, I would have got oil all over me.
Oh
Clearly.
yeah, that's why I wear my crappy pants. It's alright.
You got it like you got, what is it? Just fresh peanut oil? Okay.
But you can't add oil now. You add oil to that.
It'll take longer. Okay.
It's not hot. You add corn oil to that 350-degree cup. We can try. Huh? Is it peanut oil? I thought I had a small thing. You still have it?
It's my mashed potatoes. We got steamed potatoes. And it's cooking. I'm trying not to get in the way.
What's that?
I'm documenting, dude.
Listen, if you have a thing of oil, I can try it.
Yeah, just do it slowly. Just don't like pour it in there. Just do it slowly, like on the edge. Where is it?
Honestly, go inside.
Looks like a bomb ready to go off.